This is Sound of Hope. It is hope unbowed. The same scripture, Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall soar up on wings as eagles, run and not grow weary, walk and not faint. And you could ask yourself, is it possible to run without getting weary? Is it possible to walk without getting faint? Naturally, that is impossible. Because even those that run and do it competitively, they must be able to build stamina over time. They must be able to build resilience over time. And even those of us who once in a while walk long distances, we know it doesn't just happen. Once again, we have to be able to build our stamina. We have to have the strength of mind to be able to take that long walk. But even when we walk, even when we have the stamina, even when we have the resilience, your energy still gets sapped up. But here is the Bible assuring us that we shall run and not grow weary. We shall walk and not faint. And what I see in that text is a promise from God helping us and being able to give us energy and strength beyond the ordinary. To be able to walk a path of life without fainting. Because it is not us doing it anymore by ourselves. It is He that is carrying us. And in waiting on Him, of course, we are also able to keep our focus. We are able to get going. We are able to accomplish all that He has intended for us to accomplish. Because it is not us doing it anymore. It is Christ in us. So that is what waiting upon Him does for us. We do not carry the burden anymore. He bears the burden for us, such that even in the walk, even in the run, He is the one carrying us upon His wings. And no wonder the Bible tells us in the New Testament that come to me, all ye that are weary and heavy laden, and I'll give you rest. Take upon you my yoke, for my yoke is easy and my burden is light. You are able to take it up by casting it all to Him, casting every burden to Him as you wait on Him. That is all for now. It is Sound of Hope, hope unbowed. Hey.